Okay, we want to solve this radical equation. Two things to remember when working with radical equations is you have to isolate a radical before you square both sides, and you have to check your solutions. So first, let's isolate the radical. Now to remove that radical, we square both sides. Now you have to square the entire sides because the two sides are equal, so when you square the entire side, they'll remain equal. So when you square two things that are added and subtracted like you have on the left, you have to use FOIL. So this becomes x squared minus 14x plus 49. The right side is a single radical squared, and you simply get what's under the radical. So now we have a quadratic equation. To solve a quadratic equation, move everything to one side and either factor or use the quadratic formula. Okay, this looks like it's going to factor. We have x, two things that multiply to be 50 and add to be negative 15. They have to both be negative, and they'll be negative 5 and negative 10. So our two solutions are 5 and 10 to this equation. But that doesn't mean that they'll satisfy the original equation. Anytime you square both sides, you always have the possibility of getting extraneous roots. So you have to check to make sure that they're really solutions to the original problem as well. So let's check our solutions. X equals 5 plugged into this equation will give us 5 equals 7 plus the square root of 5 minus 1. So that's 7 plus the square root of 4, and that is not equal to 5. So this is not a solution, it's an extraneous solution. The other one, x equal to 10, plugging it in, we get 10 equals 7 plus the square root of 10 minus 1. And we do get that that's equal to 10. So that one works, this one did not. So we have one solution. So make sure you check your solutions.